Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss 100 important geography questions. This is extremely important for your CMAT 2022 exam. We have already released a video on 100 important history questions. So if you have not watched that, you can go and check out in our playlist. Okay. So our first question is, name the strait that separates India and its neighbor Sri Lanka. So the answer would be Pak Strait. Next question is, the longest river of peninsular India. So that would be Godavari. See here, peninsular India means the South India. Okay. Next is, yellow revolution is associated with. So that would be oil seeds. Next question is, Bandipur National Park is situated in which state? So the answer would be Karnataka. Next question is, Nagarhole National Park is situated in which state? Again the answer is Karnataka. Next question, Indian sanctuary famous for rhino conservation. So the answer is Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Okay, so this one is the deepest ocean of the world. So that would be Pacific Ocean. Next is the oldest oil refinery in India. So that is Divoi, Assam. Next question, the project Tiger was started in India in which year? So the answer would be 1973. Next question, Tehri Dam is on which river? So it is on Bhagirathi. The highest river dam in India. So this is Tehri Dam. Bhakra Nangal Dam is on which river? Again a very famous question. So it is on Satluj. The planet nearest to the sun. Very easy question. Again the Mercury. The first national park established in India. So that would be Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. The largest jute producing state in India. So that is nothing but Bengal. The largest state in India by area. Again a very easy question. That would be Rajasthan. The smallest union territory of India in terms of total area. Okay. So this was the largest state, but this is union territory. Okay. So the answer would be Lakshadweep. The deepest trench in the world. Again a well-known question, that is Mariana Trench. The planet known as the twin of Earth. Okay, so this answer is Venus. And why it is being called the twin of Earth? Primarily because due to the similar size. The highest mountain peak in peninsular India. So the answer is Anai Mudi. Kanha National Park is in which state? Okay, so the answer is Madhya Pradesh, MP. Bandhavgarh National Park is in which state? Again the answer would be MP. Panna National Park. Again the answer would be MP. So all these three are in same state, MP. Dakshin Ganga or Bridha Ganga is a name given to which river? Okay, so the answer is Godavari. We saw this river was largest in peninsular India, right? Next question is, Koleru freshwater lake is in which state? So the answer would be Andhra Pradesh. Jadugoda is an important mining for, so it is for uranium. Which is the largest river island in the world? It is Majuli in Assam. The Hirakud Dam is on which river? So it is on Mahanadi. First biosphere reserve in India. So the answer is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. India shares the longest international boundary with which country? See, this is very important question. So it is Bangladesh, not Pakistan. Okay. The temperate grasslands of South America are called. So it is Pampas. The largest producer and exporter country of mica. Okay, so this is India. World's longest river. So that is Nile. Which longitude determine IST? IST is Indian Standard Time. So it is 82.5 degrees. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is on which river? So it is on Krishna River. What are 3 R's for environmental protection? Okay, so it is very famous: reduce, reuse and recycle. The outermost range of Himalayas. So this would be Sivaliks. Where do western and eastern Ghats meet? Okay, so the answer is Nilgiri Hills. The fertile land between 2 rivers is called, so this is called Doab. Which river is also known as Sangpo in Tibet? Again a very famous question. So that would be Brahmaputra river. How many Indian states share the border with Myanmar? So this will be four: Andhra Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Okay, see, Assam is not there. Okay, so don't confuse. Which Indian state shares the boundary with the highest number of states? So this would be Uttar Pradesh. India's only active volcano on which island? It is on Barren Islands. Does Narmada form an estuary? Yes. The only river that drains inside the lake in the desert. So that would be Luni. Jog Falls in Karnataka is on which river? So it is on Srapti river. A state with the largest coastline. So that would be Gujarat. See, it is not Tamil Nadu or those southern states. Okay. So the answer is Gujarat, which is a western state. Brightest and hottest planet of our solar system. So that would be Venus. See, Mercury is closest to Sun, right? But it is not the hottest. Please remember. Answer is Venus. Okay. The longest irrigation canal in India. So that is Indira Gandhi Canal. The lowest layer of our atmosphere. So that would be troposphere. The highest peak in India. So that would be K2. The soil formed by leaching and oxidation. So this process is known, this soil is known as laterite soil. The confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. So that would be Devprayag. Rice is Rabi or Kharif? Again a very easy question, it is Kharif. The planets with no natural satellites. Okay, so there are two planets which don't have any natural satellites. So those are Mercury and Venus. These two are closest to Sun, right? The international border between India and Pakistan is known as, so it is known as Red Cliff Line. Origin of Narmada River. So it is in Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh, Amarkantak Hills. The name of river Brahmaputra as it enters Arunachal Pradesh. So it is Dihang. So the same river is being named differently in all the different places, right? Duncan Passage is located between, so it is between South and Little Andaman. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? So the answer is 8. The longitude of international date line. So that would be 180 degrees. Great Barrier Reef is in which country? So it is in Australia. The contact between lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is called, so this is biosphere. The latitude between mainland India is situated. So there are two latitudes, 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. The westernmost point of India. So it is Guhar Moti, that is in Kutch, Gujarat. The northernmost point of India, so this is in Siachen Glacier, it is Indra Col. The southernmost point of India, so this is Indra Point. See, both names are Indra only, but this is Indra Col in Siachen Glacier and this is Indra Point in Nicobar. The oldest mountain range of Indian subcontinent, so that is Aravalli. The highest peak of Aravalli Hills, again a very famous question, this is Guru Shikhar on Mount Abu. The pass in Uttarakhand which is used by pilgrims for Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, so this is Lipu Lake Pass. The largest freshwater lake in India, so this would be Vular Lake in Jammu Kashmir. The primary cause of tsunami is, so this is earthquake. From which continent all three latitudes pass? Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So these all three latitudes pass through. There is a single continent through which all these three latitudes pass. So that is Africa. The decay of rocks by rain, temperature, etc. is known as, so this process is known as beathering. The lines joining places of equal rainfall, so this is known as isohyets. Arunachal Pradesh share boundary with number of how many countries? So the answer is 3: Bhutan, Myanmar and China. Which gas absorbs the heat and contribute most to global warming? So this is very straightforward question. The answer is CO2, carbon dioxide. World's largest producer of coffee, so that would be Brazil. When the earth is at the maximum distance from sun, it is called, so this is known as aphelion. The place of constant intermingling of salt water and fresh water of river, so this is known as estuary. The most abundant metal in Earth's crust, so that would be aluminum. The largest island in the world, so this is Greenland. So see, this is not a separate country. See, don't confuse it with Iceland, right? This is a completely separate country. This comes under jurisdiction of Denmark. Which country owns Greenland? So that would be Denmark. The lines joining the places at same height at regular intervals is called, so that would be contours. Which planet is called evening and morning star? Again, famous question. Venus. Which is known as the roof of the world? So this is a plateau, Pamir Knot. The largest producer country of wool in the world. So this would be Australia. The outermost layer of the sun is called. So this is corona. The largest producer country of opium. This is known as Afim in Hindi, right? So the answer is Afghanistan. Number of earthquake zones in India. So this is 5. Sorry, 4. Many people remember it as 5. So the answer is 4. El Nino, a warm ocean current, originates in which ocean? So this originates in Pacific Ocean. FRI, Forest Research Institute, is located in Dehradun. The other name of black soil is, so the other name which black soil is known as, that would be Reger soil or black cotton soil. So this cotton is because this is a good soil for cotton. Loktak Lake is situated in which state? So it is in Manipur. The only diamond producing state in India, so that would be Madhya Pradesh, MP. Which latitude divides India in two parts? So this is 23.5 degree. The city known as Queen of Arabia. So this is Kochi. Indian subcontinent was originally a part of, so this was part of Gondwana land. The city of lakes. So this is Udaipur. The lake district of India. So that would be Nainital. Okay, so we saw 100 questions. So similarly, I will be posting videos for. So we have already reached for history, and this was for geography. I'm planning for eco, polity, and science. So total there will be 5 videos. Right? So history is done, geography is done. Next would be polity, and then we will do eco and science. Also, I have released some innovation and entrepreneurship videos, so you can check that in our playlist section. Okay. Also, you can consider subscribing our channel. I will be posting many CMAT videos. Thank you.